Alright, I want to do a quick video. The last Topps Finest, or Topps Chrome opening that I just had, I pulled this Robert Rookie. These were the 4 cards in the pack. I started looking at the Robert Rookie because I was very excited to get it. It's my first one, my only one that I have. And I started looking at it, and I kept seeing this little flex in that corner. See that reflection where... And I'm looking at it, and I'm like, huh, I wonder if that's the penny sleeve. But then I'm looking at the back, and there's an actual crease in the card, and I'll take it out here and show you. I haven't taken it out yet, but I can see it through. None of the other cards are damaged, so see that bend where it reflects back, and then if you flip it over, look at that crease. And now I have no idea how a card would get creased like that and then get put into the pack with these 3 other cards, because there's nothing wrong. And this card, I believe, was right side up when it came out of the pack, so it would have been damaged up here, and it is not. There's nothing wrong with it. Same thing with, I think this one was actually right side up. I don't remember now, I have to look back at the video. But again, there's nothing wrong with it, and the Correa was the last card in the pack. And again, there's really nothing wrong with this card either, other than he's on the Astros. Sorry. But yeah, so I'm going to send this away to Topps and try and get a replacement. They require a little bit from you. You got to fill out a form. You got to obviously have the card. You have to tell the story behind it. You have to have the original receipt to your product. And you have to have the original packaging, which I have all the packaging right here, because it was the only one I opened that day. So I pulled it off. They want to see everything. I obviously had crumbled it up because I had ripped it open and I was going to throw it away. And then, of course, my original receipt, which you don't need to see all the stuff I bought, but my original receipt from the 20th of August when I purchased it. So I'm going to send that away and see what happens. So out of those 2 rips I had yesterday, both the Chrome and the Chronicles, I had 2 cards that came out subpar. Good cards. So the Robert, obviously, that's really damaged. And hopefully they'll replace that without a problem, because right now that is my only Robert base rookie card from Finest out of all of it that I've opened. And then, of course, the other thing was this Zion that had that print line going across it. I mean, you can even see it through this, but it's easier if I pull it up again and show you that reflection right there. See that line? And that line goes all the way across. So, I don't know if I'll try and send this in or not. I'll reach out to them first. But I'm going to give y'all an update to this, too, after I post it, whenever I get my stuff back. So we'll have an idea how long it takes and what they did or the conclusion of it. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks.